Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we have this transformer box, and you could say it's not in prime condition. The item needs its lead replaced, so I've got this donor lead that I've reclaimed off a previous machine. Not a transformer box, but something else. These screws slackened, I just took the lid off. Yeah, just like that. You see there's a little thing here. We could use block connectors, you could use soldering iron, you could use these little solder sticks. That's another option. This is the easiest option. That's the lead on her now. All I have to do is plug it in. Hope for the best. And she's humming, she's purring like a kitten there. So I'm calling that fixed. That's this transformer back in business. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Check out my channel. I have loads of videos, new videos out every week.